to enter into marriage without coercion, freely and wholeheartedly. I do.
I do.
It is finally here. We have dreamt of this day for the almost 6 years, or 5 years, 11 months, and 10 days to be exact. I love you so much, and I love you even more each day. The last year has been an adventure, but we are finally at our day and ready to take on the next chapter of our life together. Thank you for being my God's gift. You're always caring and selfless person that I know. You've always put other people first before yourself. You have showed me how to love unconditionally.
I, Izobelle, take you, Roscil, as my lawful husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
to love,
and to cherish,
until death do us part.
My loves, I hope your day goes the way you've always dreamed of. May the Lord bless this day and make this one of the best days of your life. You deserve nothing but the best. As we start our journey together as husband and wife, always remember that I will always be your #1 fan no matter what.
The day is breaking softly and the night is glowing true. I feel a million eyes, but I can just see you. No rain, no thunder, it's just your light, your voice, the heaven of our kiss, the wonder of our choice. So breathe, 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 darling, you can make my love your home.
Izobelle, look who's finally getting married. After 6 years, we're finally here. I am so thankful to the Lord that He gave you as my Gigi. Thank you for always supporting and encouraging me to fulfill my wildest dreams. Thank you for being such a good role model, not just for me but everyone around you. You're always open with your feelings and not afraid to tell me what you think. Although it's hard to talk about certain things, our relationship is endlessly stronger as a result. I admire honesty and strive to reflect these qualities in myself. Now that I have my something old, something new, something borrowed, and something blue, here is something from me to you. Love, Izzy.
I'm shivering, sure I'm scared, but I'm all yours. So breathe, breathe, breathe.
I, Roscil, take you, Izobelle, to be my lawful wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until death do us part. Izobelle, receive this ring as a sign of my love and fidelity.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.